comes my buddy. Here he comes. So, I wasn't the only one who got to enjoy that shit last night. I had a little friend along for the trip. And we are gonna go check him out. I think he's probably blue-footed. I know he's shat all over my solar panels and bimini top because I had to clean it off. And last night when I went to try and shoo him off, he was completely unwilling to leave. So I think he's a little baby who is probably not a very good flyer. And so he gets pretty tired and needs, you know, to ride somewhere for a little while. So we're gonna go check him out. Say hi. You think this is your new nest? Huh? You see your little blue feet. Let me see your little blue beak. Hey. Now, if those aren't crazy eyes, I've never seen them. You gonna stay here all day? You gonna stay here all day? You liking that spot? Huh? Well, Mr. Bird, I think it's time for you to go. You're pooping on everything. Hey man, hey man. Yeah, good boy, get out of here. Get out of here. Come on, come on, time to fly. Time to fly, time to fly. Come on. He beat me. For those of you that are gonna ask, why didn't I just shoo him off? Those fuckers are vicious. You see his beak? He catches fish with that. Could probably go right through my fingers like butter. I'm not touching him. This is a pretty cool spot though. And with my booby buddy, huh, booby buddy? Huh? What you doing up there? This bitch. I've tried to scare him off like 4 times. He won't leave. Well, now this shit's happened. Damn bird is laying on my roof and will... No, stop that! Get out of here! Get out of here! Hey! Not your boat! Hey!